As you can see, what is going on here, this is a clear evidence Nigerians is showing their grievances on the policies of government. Really, nobody is saying the government cannot privatize, but we are looking at trust and timing. It is obvious that this policy is ill-timed. As you can see, from Nigerian paying 65 to about 140 to 150, the increment is something else. Nigerian cannot cope with it. And you can see for the first time, people are coming across religious and political divides. Everybody is here. Christian, Muslim, traditional worshippers, they are here to show their grievances on this new policy. Let me tell you, if government is really sincere, we all know that Nigerians does not trust their government. If government want to put up this policy and they want us to accept, they must try to earn our confidence. For a very long time, Nigerians don't trust their government, and that's the truth. If government really want to put this policy to us, they must first earn our trust. How do they do that? They must consult widely. They must let every nook and cranny of the country to know that we are setting up a new policy, and this is the benefits. And they must show to us that even this said money, when it accrues, it will be used for the betterment of the masses. Imagine, in the next 1 year now, the government will have realized 1.3 trillion from the subsidy if eventually it is removed, and they will share the money to governors, local government chairmen, and themselves. And this is the situation. It's been like that for a very long time.
So I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue. I'm going to continue.
Bad luck, ti baye jago. Bad luck, ó ti baye jago. Ó ti dá Nàìjíríà rú gidi gan. Adẹ́ṣẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wèrè ni o. Tí ó bá ti correct pẹ̀lú wa, a máa bẹ́ ní tì jẹ́. A fún títí jọ Friday, a máa bẹ́ ní tì jẹ́ o. Èṣù ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ìgboro ti dàrú. Ẹ̀gbọ́n, good luck kò ní dúró.
Àwọn ẹlẹ́dìbò fún wọn, kọ́lá jẹ́ wọ́n ń jà. Nàìjíríà.